Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video for a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You can see here with the key fob I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. It's got a brand new rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch right here and I flip. Super simple to do. I tell our customers if you can take a half a gallon of milk to the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. It's that simple, one finger. 34 inches wide, like I mentioned. If someone parks next to you in a side entry, you cannot get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry, so you got a little more room for bigger chairs. You got more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell the side entry as well. 800-pound weight capacity. Got about 32 inches of width here where the ramp sets. About 56 coming inside the van, then about 56 inches once you're inside the van. It's got the 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. We can add a gurney kit to this, no problem. It's got the flip base seat, a third row flip base seat we can put on here, so you could potentially haul 6 plus a wheelchair. We can put the flip base seats on their sides in here. So my point is, let me know your measurements. Let me know how many people you're trying to haul. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Headliner's in great shape. Got your rear air controls, brand new Q straints in here. Got your Q straint warranty and tie down instructions there as well. Real nice center console here. Got your dual climate control, your rear air. You can sync up your phone, your backup camera. The dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. And you can operate all the power doors up here as well. So when you get everybody secure, come back out and then reverse the process. Very simple. Again, just one finger. That's all it takes. Lift her up. Clamp it down. You shut the door back here as well, and you are ready to roll. Got tinted windows, got your roof rack, got alloy wheels. This tire back here is like a brand new tire. It has the matching Yokohamas all the way around. I'm gonna guess one of the tires went flat, so they put a new one back here. All the other tires are pretty solid though, around 30 seconds to tread, so not brand new, but still have some life left on them. Very clean van though. I'm looking for dents or little scratches. A little touch-up paint up here, you know, from bug chips, rock chips, but overall very clean. And that's the advantage when you buy from here, Affordable Mobility. I'm the owner. I hand select every single one of our vehicles. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. This is my investment. This is my vehicle. I'm not some guy sitting behind a desk clicking a mouse, aimlessly buying vehicles just to fill a quota. I am the owner. Each one of these vehicles means something to me. It's very personal. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. I've seen a lot of internet scams. A guy told me the other day someone was selling one of my vans on Facebook Marketplace, and they said they had the van for sale for $8,200, I think it was. Well, that was a $45,000 van. They were trying to scam somebody. So if you were to say to that person, "Hey, give me a video of that VIN number," they could not provide it. So because the van wasn't in their possession, they were trying to scam somebody. So make sure you get a video of that VIN number. All right, what we do with that VIN number, also run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see just one owner, no accidents or damage, 9 service records, a lot of service. Last owned in nice salt rust-free California. Now, shows a rental vehicle. A lot of people say stay away from rentals. I would agree if it's a sports car, but I don't think too many people say, "Honey, grab the kids. We're going to rent the Caravan this weekend and go out and do some races." And it just means highway miles. That's a good thing on a used vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. It's one owner, clean title, no accidents, with a handful of service. No structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate. No accidents or damage, and no open recalls. Now, Carfax shows the vehicle went into service June 20th, 2019. So it meets the specs to be under the powertrain warranty from Dodge. Go to any Dodge dealer in the country until June 20th, 2024, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, check them out online. Check out their reputation. Look at us on eBay. 1,494 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. You can see us here on Google. Yes, indeed, we are real here in Wichita, Kansas. 4.8 out of 5 stars. You know, I talk to people all the time. I hear the horror stories. They bought from Craigslist or Facebook, a private individual. They ended up buying a vehicle they didn't know was stolen. They can never get a title for it. They end up buying a vehicle that's been flooded out. Or they buy from one of these dealers, you know, with 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews. They didn't bother doing the ratings, checking them out on Google like you should. So they end up buying from a dealer with less than respectable ratings, end up buying a vehicle with a salvage title, the frame's all bent up, you name it, all kinds of issues. So if you want to do business with those people and you want 1 and 2 and 3 star vans, have at it. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star customer service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Alright, another great feature about this van, you can use the key fob here, you hit the remote start button, and fire right up. So whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summertime, or you want to come out to defrosted windows and ready to roll, this van gives you that option. It's got the 1 key fob. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we can sure do so. Power driver's seat works great. It's got the leather with a cloth insert in it, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And if you want to use this van for business, there's an off button there. You can turn the power doors off, and what they'll do is they'll open and shut quickly, just like so. You know, time is money when you're running a business, so that's an option you have. Just a little different perspective, a little of the layout of the van. And when I get into officially start the van up, you can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. 42,298 original miles. Like I mentioned, you got your backup camera there. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show those moving to you right now. We've tested all the locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Replace fluids as necessary. Taking these on a road test. Check the tires. My point is, and I hope you can tell by our videos, we are very thorough in everything we do. I'm even going to show you the back windows back there. That one's opening, and that one back there is shutting. So we do not just run these through the car wash. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten as I crawl underneath the van. Much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any fluid or any oil leaks. No signs of any rust from being in a flood or being up north. And that's the number one mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's got 42,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's got a clean title. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And that's the most dangerous thing you can possibly do. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealer. But what I do care about, I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reputation online with thousands of reviews so I know I'm buying from a reputable person? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, no flood damage? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage so you can see there's no flood damage, there's no bent frame from an accident? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation and when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you exactly what you're getting, please compare me to the competition. And you know what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle that you can't get a title for, you know, because you bought from a private individual, might be a stolen vehicle, or you buy a vehicle that's got frame damage from rust or a flood, it won't pass the inspection in your state. You can't get a title for it. And you buy a vehicle that you can't get a title for, you bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. I mean, are they really asking you to spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, possibly sight unseen, with some lazy 30-second video? I don't think so. You're smarter than that. Second, demand a detailed video. Demand a Carfax report. Yeah, double that video down. Double down on the video. But demand a Carfax report. I spend thousands of dollars a month in Carfax, but I do that because I'm buying from your perspective. I want to know everything I can about this van, not some cheap imposter. Carfax is where it's at. That's why I spend the money to get them. Third, do your due diligence. Find out who you're buying from. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Find out who's on the other end of that phone, on the other end of that computer. Do your research. And finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, our van comes with the remaining specs of the powertrain warranty. Go to any Dodge dealer in the country. So do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. So let's get it out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy, steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good, runs and drives darn near like a brand new van down the highway. I do keep in mind, it does meet the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Dodge for a little bit of time here. We do sell very affordable extended warranties, factory type, bumper to bumper type, go anywhere from 90 days all the way out to 8 years and everywhere in between. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fees, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you got excited about online, well, it just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and hidden fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for that in any business, especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today. So if someone's not being transparent from the get-go, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding. Be aware of that when you're out shopping. A nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. And hey, if you'd like to give me a call or a text, you can reach me personally on my cell phone, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have a way to personally contact me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, it's that super pushy, aggressive, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number by all these companies out there, and definitely want to avoid that super pushy, annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Give me a call, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but it's a big investment and there's a lot to go through. I try to be very transparent, as I hope you can see. Give us a like on YouTube here, that'll help us out. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming inventory. And if you ever do want to come in to look at a vehicle, we would love to spend some time with you, but you have to make an appointment. From auctions to buying vehicles to doing videos and pictures, I am bouncing all over the place all the time. Please make that video. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and the most transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.